Gold as an investment, protecting against the inevitable stock market crash. In this video, I will be talking about gold as an investment to protect against the inevitable stock market crash. People are wildly and irrationally over-optimistic about the economy right now. I believe a massive stock market crash is inevitable and unpreventable. I'm an investor, not an advisor, and this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. My opinions are my own, and of course, be sure to investigate, ask questions, and make sound decisions on any investment. In a moment, I'm going to show you some fascinating historical data on gold's performance in 2008, the last Great Recession. But first, consider this. The Commerce Department reported that GDP plummeted nearly 5% in the first 3 months of 2020, and stocks rose. Americans locked in their houses with children who work and bake bread have created an extinction-level event for small businesses across the country. We are living in the weirdest economy ever. The CARES Act, along with emergency moves by the Federal Reserve to shore up the financial sector, are almost certainly a major factor behind the stock market rise. And they are the reason for the rise in employment in May of 2020. But really, the unemployment rate was underreported by at least 3% in May of 2020, as the government admits. Despite this error, the stock market surged ahead, ignoring the truth. But what happens when Congress fails to enact another round of stimulus, or the next surge of COVID-19 occurs? Note that nothing has changed. No vaccines, no cures, only social distancing that most people are ignoring. The stock market is rising on speculation, gambling, and irrational exuberance, not on real value. And this is unsustainable. Earlier I said we would cover what gold does in these situations, and the most recent example is in 2008. So take a look at this chart. This is the beginning of 2008, and we see that gold dropped over a period of about 9 months, from a high of just over a little thousand down to about 750, about a 25 to 28%, 29.5% drop in 7 months. What was happening here was that people were selling off gold in order to gain liquidity. But just after this happened, the stock market crashed too. And then look what happened. From November of 2008 up until July of 2011, there was a 166% increase in gold prices in less than 3 years because the economy was in the tank. So gold surged as investors realized that the stock market was collapsing and there was no other safe haven for their money other than gold. In all likelihood, we're going to see this pattern repeat in 2020 and 2021 and probably into 2022. Only it's going to be a lot worse. So let me know whether this information helps you by liking the video and leaving a comment below. And if you like this video, subscribe so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. In the next video, I will be covering what the charts are telling me about the upcoming crash. And it's not pretty. We'll see you there.